look. In a nice location here, Wentworth. Ooh, listen to this engine. This is the engine of the plane. It's the 757. Look, my favorite house in South Yorkshire. That's the view. Wentworth Woodhouse, guys. So if you are traveling in Yorkshire, England, you can visit this beautiful house, a historical house. And look at the cars now. So here there is a car show, and I'm with my very good friend here driving this limited edition Noble. Hear that one, no? Noble 600. Oh no, sorry, M600. So this is the Wentworth Woodhouse, guys. Inside is beautiful. If you want to visit this place, oh, look at the cars. Okay, bye everyone. I'll show you some more